In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple languages to your Squarespace website using Weglot. Whether you're aiming to reach a broader audience or cater to a multilingual client base, this process will help you make your website accessible in different languages with ease. First, you'll want to navigate to Squarespace. Open your web browser and type in the Squarespace URL or simply search for it on Google. Once you've reached the Squarespace homepage, log into your Squarespace account if you're not already signed in. After logging in, you should see your dashboard featuring all of your current projects. If you're looking to add languages to a specific site, select that project to proceed. The next step involves accessing your site's settings. On your dashboard, look for the Settings page. It might be tucked away in a menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Once you've found the Settings section, you'll want to locate the option that says Site Language. This is where you can start integrating multiple languages into your website. Click on Site Language, and here you'll see the current language your site is set to. To expand your options, click on Connect next to the Weglot integration. Now this part is crucial. You'll need to allow Weglot certain permissions so it can effectively translate and manage the different languages on your site. Weglot is a powerful translation tool that allows you to add and manage multiple languages seamlessly. As you click on Connect, a new window may pop up requesting permissions. Ensure you read through these carefully, then go ahead and grant those permissions. You're almost there. The next step requires you to create an account with Weglot if you haven't done so already. The process is straightforward. All you need is to follow the on-screen instructions, filling in necessary information like your email address and creating a secure password. If you already have an account, you can simply log in with your existing credentials. Once you're successfully connected to Weglot, you'll have the option to choose the different languages you wish to add to your website. There should be a list of languages that Weglot supports. Select one or more languages from this list, depending on your translation needs. This step is essential for making your website multilingual and accessible to a broader audience. And just like that, you're done. Your website should now support multiple languages, offering visitors the option to view content in their preferred language. This process significantly broadens your reach and enhances user experience, allowing you to engage with a global audience. Remember, maintaining consistency in design and tone across all languages is key. Good luck and enjoy watching your site grow with its newfound multilingual capabilities.